There are signs your garage door needs more than just repairs. When your garage door starts to sound like a freight train every time it opens or closes, it's a clear indication that something's not right. These symptoms often point towards the degradation of essential components, such as springs, cables, or the door's alignment on its tracks. Another sign is frequent breakdowns and repairs. Facing regular malfunctions with your garage door is not just an inconvenience, it's a sign that your system may be reaching the end of its functional lifespan. Another sign is when safety and security become a concern. An aging or malfunctioning garage door not only becomes unreliable, but can also turn into a significant safety hazard. Instances where the door malfunctions, refusing to open or close properly, or worse, comes off its tracks, pose immediate dangers to anyone in its vicinity. You also need to consider the impact of your garage door on energy efficiency. An outdated or inefficient garage door can be a hidden culprit behind rising energy costs in your home. Old models often lack the insulation required to prevent heat exchange between your garage and the outside environment. All these signs may indicate it's time for a door replacement. Stay vigilant for these signs, and you'll be well on your way to a safer, smoother garage door operation. And don't forget, routine maintenance is the key. Call us at Affordable Garage Door and Opener Repair. We're always here to help.